Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how to make this really cute crochet pickle with green yarn, black and pink for the cheeks and the mouth, and some black eyes you will need, and stuffing. I have been missing in action because I've been focusing on my Etsy store and my family and my health, and so I wanted to create this for my Etsy store. To get these tags, the links are down below. This measures about 5.5 inches long, 3 inches across, and about 7 inches around. Okay, and I used a G-hook, so let's get started. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. It's really cute. These little bumps are warts, and you can add little cheeks as well. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to create 6 single crochet in the magic circle. If this is your first time for the magic circle, I have a link down below on how to do the magic circle. So you're going to slip stitch into it. You can slow down your video and place it in slow motion. A link is down below for that. And then I'm going to insert my hook into this ring, grab the yarn, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I'll continue for 5 more single crochet. Time doing stitches, I have a beginner playlist and you can take a look at that as well. Now you're going to pull the tail and slip stitch in the first stitch to complete this first round. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through your loop. And I'm going to work 2 single crochet, so chain 1 and then work 2 single crochet in each stitch around, and that will give you 12 single crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then insert your hook in the same stitch, and this is an increase for each stitch around. Then you're going to slip stitch in the beginning stitch. So insert your hook, make sure you have 12 single crochet all together, and pull through, and then you're going to work your next round. You can use a stitch marker, or sometimes I just like to use my tail for a stitch marker to keep track of my rounds. And then I'm just going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch for an increase, and then repeat that around. So you'll do 1, 2, so here's 2, and then 1, and then 2, and repeat that around. Until you get to the beginning. And then in the last stitch, I'm going to work my increase of 2. And then I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Instead of working a slip stitch, I'm going to work in continual rounds and then work an increase of 2. So you're going to have 1 single crochet and then 1 in the next, and then work 2 single crochet. So 1, 1, and then 2 for an increase. Work that until you get to the beginning. Now I'm going to show you how to make a wart. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, draw up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through all 4 loops on the hook. This will give you a wart. You can make as many as you like for your pickle, and I made one for each 5th round that I created. Then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch around for about 22 more rows. You can make it as long as you would like. And then every 5th round I made another wart. I'm on the 5th round, so I'm going to make another wart. So pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. And then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook for another wart, and I spaced them out about a couple inches apart. I made about 5 warts in total. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then a decrease. Insert my hook, grab the yarn, go to the next stitch, grab the yarn for a decrease, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, single crochet, decrease in the next 2 stitches, repeat that around. To finish, create a slip stitch. Now stuff your pickle with your stuffing. You can do the mouth at the end, or you can do it now. I waited to the end. Now single crochet in the next stitch and work a decrease, and you will repeat this around. 1 single crochet and then a decrease for this round. Now work 6 decrease until it closes, and then you will weave in your ends. Now take your yarn needle and weave back and forth and secure your ends about 3. I added black eyes with my glue gun about a 1/3 way down from the top, and I sewed on a little smiley face with my yarn needle, and you can create little pink cheeks on the side of the smile with little dash lines to make it complete. Okay, so the pickle is finished, and if you want to add the gift tags to it to add a special touch, the links for that are down below in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.